start manifesting and for 2025. Hi everyone, welcome to. Wait, I'll keep you guys somewhere first. Okay. Hi everybody, welcome to another vlog with your girl Damyonu. और आज का vlog बहुत स्पेशल होने वाला है because this is the year end और टाइटल पढ़ के आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि हम विजन बोर्ड बनाने वाले हैं. I have made 2 vision boards but I have did it alone, but this time, yeah, ta-da, we are doing it with my friend. Whoever is here, I had asked them to send me a list of things that they want to achieve in 2025 or just want to have things that they are really wanting to happen in their life, and then I took out some pictures related to that from Pinterest and I have got them printed out, and now I have these 4 envelopes. I'll keep everybody's name on it and I'll put their related pictures and we are gonna do it together and it's going to be so much fun. Yeah, so let's get started. I only have another 15 minutes before they all come. I'm gonna name this folder after my name. This is mine. Mine goes with Dame, you, Anu. This Heroes. This is Tanu's. And because my hubby puppy is with me, I have got his professional dreams and goals. Of course, he would need some fonts too. So what all we have is scissors, these pictures from Pinterest. I have arranged the tape for sticking all the pictures, and then I have got these 4 cardboards for each of us, and I have arranged some drinks, not some drinks, only one drink like cold coffee. We are gonna light some candles and we're gonna start manifesting and prepping for 2025. I'm really excited to share this moment with you all. I think this is going to be really meaningful and very wholesome experience to do it together with our friends. So yeah, let's go and do this. Hi, we are back and we are ready. Meet the gang, Kiru and Tanu and Habababa. Okay, now I'm passing the camera to Kiru and getting coffee for everybody. Then we start. Anurag, you have something to say?
No, I have coffee to offer.
Tanu, you have something to say?
Then she have coffee to drink.
I'm waiting for my coffee.
Oh, she got coffee. Wow. Cheers. जैसे कि आप लोग को पता ही है कि हम लोग विजन बोर्ड बनाने हैं, तो मैंने सबके गोल्स का छोटे पिक्चर्स निकाले हैं. Might not be perfect, but Neva, this is yours. Tanu, this is yours.
मैंने तो बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स बोले ही.
Kiru, बाकी आप लोग ऐड ऑन कर सकते हो. Tanu, your board.
Thank you.
Neva, it is your board. अभी
Wow.
Oh yeah. I like this and this. जयपुर, गोवा,
Oh my God.
मतलब सारी चीजें मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी, but जितना I could think of.
Yes. बस मैं वो फैमिली का बोली.
Swimming, guys. This is what I want. क्योंकि स्विमिंग आपने भी बोला और मैंने भी अपने में ऑलरेडी डाला था.
Yes.
तो इसके लिए मैंने एक पिक्चर निकाली.
मेरे पास एक सोल्यूशन है इसका.
Are you happy with what you have got?
Yes.
Yes. Look at this back.
Wow.
इसको पूरा काटी से बैक लगाएगा.
Yes. मैं तो निकली को बोल के दिमाग खराब कर रही हूँ उसका.
Just celebrating your success.
Anurag, you got yourself.
फाइनली तनु का कटिंग्स हो गए हैं, कटिंग्स एंड चॉपिंग्स वेरी फास्ट. दिस इज हर इन स्विमिंग, Pilates, personal trainers, something, but you know if you know. Kiru is still cutting to Jaipur. और मैं अपने हस्बैंड का मिसयूज़ कर रही हूँ. उसका कटिंग ख़त्म हो गया, बट मैंने उनको बोला कि मेरा कटिंग करो. ऑप्टिमम यूज़, हस्बैंड ड्यूटीज़ है ना बेबा. हस्बैंड यूटिलिटी प्रोडक्ट. तनु यार आपका कितना मस्त दिख रहा है. We are having very much fun. Everyone is having fun, enjoying.
We are
Almost done.
done.
तनु का बोर्ड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है अब तक. हम लोग रिवील करेंगे बोर्ड्स बाद में. नाउ इट्स कीरूज टर्न. कीरू का भी सारा कटिंग चॉपिंग हो गया है ना. शी विल स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. तनु का ऑलमोस्ट डन सेटिंग हो गया है. सिर्फ अभी पेस्ट करना होगा. अनुराग उसका हो चुका है लेकिन वो बेचारा मेरी हेल्प कर रहा है. बेवा लाओ अब मैं करती हूँ. लाओ.
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है.
Husband duties. नहीं कैची से तो
मस्त है ना. रप्पा रप तनु मूवी से सीखा है. रप्पा रप काटूंगा. सो गाइस मैं इसके लिए फ्री बैठी हूँ क्योंकि मैंने आधा अब अपना काटने के लिए तनु को दे दिया है और आधा हब्बा बब्बा. मेरे बार खाने के लिए क्या मंगाए
क्या आपका है नु?
दिखाना. हाँ
ये तुम एक तुम
Yes.
और एक तुम्हारी पत्नी.
कपल गोल्स.
Yes.
Show me. I will show it to the camera. What Anurag has got. Quite surprised. Couple goals.
चाहिए नहीं क्या बोला ऐसा?
I mean, currently we are couple goals, but
हाँ जाए बस.
isn't it cute? चलते चलते. For creating the vision board, you have to categorize what all photos you have got for yourself. Like I categorize in all the quotes I keep one side, all the healthy things I keep one side, then my professional goals, personal goals, relationship, vacation, everything I categorize, and then we start with pasting it. Interesting part, Anurag's board is looking very hospital right now. My vision board is ready finally, and I had been very excited to do this with my friends, and that I did. This was not on my vision board last year, but I wanted to do it with my friends, so that I did. Yeah! मज़ा आया. और ये है मेरा vision board. I think this year I am going to be very focused on my content creator journey basically, which is why I have put in the middle that I am a successful influencer. I don't know how much I can influence, but I think normally everybody does influence everybody whom I meet. I get influenced by people get influenced by me, or whatever we talk, generally we influence somehow everyone around us. So yeah, that's the agenda and motto of this year, and a lot of PR that I'm expecting that should come my way, and a new home and a new car, basically new life. Also ये देखिए तनु घूमने वाला मैंने ये डाल रखा है ट्रैवल का.
ये करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ ऑफ कोर्स ट्रैवल का तो हो जाएगा.
एक ट्रैवल तो हम तीनों का ही है कुछ ना कुछ.
Yes. Yeah, so this is all. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video.
Yes.
Give it a thumbs up. Bye. See you
Bye.
in 2025.
Bye.
Oh my God.
मैं इस बार इतनी ज़्यादा डिटेल में चली गई हूँ कि मुझे एक बोर्ड छोटा पड़ गया, तो अनुराग वेंट एंड बॉट मी अनदर बोर्ड. तो उस पे 2 बोर्ड मैंने एक बोर्ड को दूसरे बोर्ड में चिपकाया, और अभी वी आर डूइंग ट्राइंग टू कंप्लीट इट. मैं थक गई हूँ. आई वॉन्ट टू टेक अ ब्रेक एंड वी विल गो आउट टू ईट समथिंग. Coffees are done, but Anurag is insisting me to complete the board.
और क्या बाकी है तेरा?
Yes.
रुको मैं ना फिर टेप काट के